In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings. Then scroll down to click on battery section over here. Now use the switcher next to performance mode to activate it. And if it's blue, that means that high performance is now enabled. You can also tell by this tiny icon next to your clock at the top left corner. To switch off high performance mode, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!